Welcome, my wonderful viewers, my Health Talk friends. This is Mrs. Rana Khatri Tandon, once again welcoming you. Let me share a wonderful secret today. Being grateful. I'm sure all of you in this lockdown period are going through a lot, and I am so lucky that I'm able to share this little video with you with few moments of bliss, happiness, and smiling. Let me tell you a little secret, my friends. Today, I wish to share with you a wonderful moment, something very dear to my heart. Problems, issues, sufferings, everybody has it in their world. And believe me, this was also something which each one of us go through. We can see the beautiful world today. We are able to get up, rise, and see this wonderful morning. But amidst all this, because of this one crisis of lockdown where we are all sitting inside, going through all these different things, we always get these thoughts and emotions which come to us. एक चीज़ मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगी. सफरिंग तो हमेशा रहती ही है, लेकिन उसमें से कैसे उभर के आना वो हमारे अंदर होने की क्षमता पे बेसिस है. It's always about the right choices you make. It's always about the right information we go through. It's always about what do we really want in life. Let me tell you, it's not easy for everybody. Some people come up and tell me, Rena, you've been such a successful person. You get so many different opportunities to meet to people, talk, train them, be with them, learn with them, share the knowledge. How have you become so successful in such a small period of time? And you are very, very lucky. Luck always favors you. I just tell them one thing. Luck will only favor those who emerge and want to stand up even when there are problems in their life. All I can say that issues will always rise. If you keep crying over them, if you keep jumping over them, if you keep pondering over them and cry over them, that is not going to help you. I'm sure all of us are going through a lot today. Even if there is a lot of problems in our life, all we can do is to sit down, keep quiet, and think what can be done to take the next step, to take the next action. If I can, you can, my dear friends. ये पल भी जल्दी ही गुजर जाएगा.